Here I've got ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open display, and here choose wallpaper. It's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from Live Wallpapers, some photos from Google, Wallpapers album, or default wallpapers. So let me choose the last option, and here this is just one. Over here under my wallpaper you can find some more, and let me choose something from textures, and we can apply, for example, this one. And if you want this picture to cover your screen, just tap on Set Wallpaper, and finally decide if you want this photo to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. And the third option is the one that I would choose. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.